Hi, in this Avanti Neurons for ITSM video, you will learn how to configure the Entra ID Import feature. This feature helps you manage employee and contractor identities, maintain access control, and customize the setup to fit your organization's needs. To configure this feature, ensure you have registered ITSM as an application within the Microsoft Entra portal. Next, ensure the required Microsoft Graph API permissions are assigned: Group Read All, User Read All, and Administrative Unit Read All. This process will generate the necessary credentials: Client ID, Tenant ID, and Client Secret. Keep these credentials handy as you proceed with the integration. Log in to ITSM as an administrator. Click here to open the configuration console. Go to Extend, click LDAP Integration. Click Entra ID Import. On the Connections page, click New Connection. Select Checkbox to enable connection and enter the connection name. Enter Client ID, Client Tenant ID, and Client Secret, which you obtained while registering the app in Entra ID portal. Use the default Graph API and token endpoints, or enter custom URLs if required. Only supported Microsoft Graph URLs are valid. Using unsupported URLs will cause connection errors. Choose a primary key from these options. Let us select Entra ID. Click Test Connection. Once the connection is successful, click Save to store your settings. Next, click Filter Management tab. This tab defines which users or groups to import. You can use AND or HTTP string predicates to set your filter logic. Choose User as the filter type. Select the AND filter option. With this option, all the conditions you set must be true for the data to be imported. For example, to view active users in South Jordan in the company. Set first condition, select company name from drop-down. Select Equal. Enter your company name. For this demo, let us enter Avanti. Click Add Icon to add the next condition. Select City from drop-down. Select Equal. Enter South Jordan as city. Click Preview. Now you can view the list of users who are active in your company and based in South Jordan. Use our option when you want to include users who meet any one of the conditions, like those users who are active or located in South Jordan in company. Click Preview. You can view the user with the selected filter condition. Use HTTP string for advanced filters, for example users whose names start with S and our accounts are enabled. Enter the string and click Preview. You can view all the users' name starting with S. To preview groups, select Group. Choose one or more groups and click OK. Click here to view or remove the selected groups. If required, remove group and click Save. Add more filters if necessary. The system updates user data only for users within the selected groups. Click Preview. You can view the preview for all the filters you have set for the group. Go to the Field Mapping tab to set the field mappings from ITSM to Entra ID. By default, a few predefined field mappings are available. Click Add Mapping. Select Employee Address. Choose the mapping type. Select Map if you want to link the field to a value from the available drop-down, or choose Fixed Value if you want to manually enter a specific value that stays the same for all imported records. Here I will select Map to choose options in ITSM. Select City. To exclude a field from being updated during the import process, select the Do Not Update checkbox and click Save, so that the existing value in ITSM remains unchanged, even if the corresponding data in Entra ID is different. To import data into ITSM, click Schedule and Import tab. You can either set a schedule to keep data in sync automatically or use the Save and Import option to run the import right away for quick updates. Select Annual Review from drop-down and click OK. To include administrative units like departments or regions, select the Import Administrative Units checkbox before starting the import. Click Save and Import to run the import immediately. You have successfully configured the Entra ID Import feature in ITSM. Your user data and access controls will now stay synchronized with Microsoft Entra ID. Now, let us see how to import a user, review the logs, and verify the imported user in the employee workspace. Go to Filter Management tab, select User. Select Display Name from drop-down. Select Equal. Enter the user's name and click Preview. You can view the info of the user. Click Save and Import. Now you can see confirmation of user data saved and scheduled for import. Go to ITSM homepage, click More. Search and select Message Queue Journal. Refresh the page and verify the status of the imported data. Search and select Employee to open the employee workspace. Click Refresh. Search and open the imported user record. Verify the modified time to confirm the import. If the modified time matches when you imported, the user import is successful. Thank you for watching. Try it now. For more information, visit help.avanti.com.